Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare SPY with VTI. I created a course if you want to learn how you can make money with ETFs, with dividends, etc. And you will find the course down below in the description. Now, SPY and VTI. When you come here to the SPY, you can see clearly that issuer is different comparing to the VTI. Issuer for VTI is Vanguard, for SPY is State Street Global Advisors. Then you see difference also in expense ratio. It's 0.09 comparing to expense ratio of VTI 0.03. Now on the one hand, that's like not too much, but it's going to make a little bit of difference, because let's say you have $10,000 invested, you would pay for SPY $9, on VTI $3 fee. Then assets under management, you get higher assets on SPY comparing to VTI 289 billion, you got 426 billion. And underlying index is SP 500 with 508 holdings. And underlying index for VTI is a total market with number of holdings of nearly 4,000 stocks. On the other hand, when you compare it and when you take it, the weight of both, when I'm going to show you this, VGT with this like SPY and VTI, you see that they are overlapping hard. That even when you see that number of holdings are 4,000, you can clearly see that overlapping by weight, they are really similar. And 99.6 of SPY holdings, you would find even an SPY in VTI. So 99.6% of 505 holdings, you would find in VTI. So that's like kind of important, really important information. So when we go even further, we can see the performance is similar. The performance is similar here. And when we check the number of holdings, the technology, the consumer, the financials, healthcare is also really similar, the segments. And then you see the top 10 holdings as a Microsoft Corporation, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, all around also quite similar. So this is something that is like important to know, that when you see that, okay, Microsoft Corporation is 6.46, Apple here is 4.75, then Apple is 6, Apple is 5 here. So write me down below your thoughts on SPY and VTI. I'll be really happy to hear that and understand your perspective. And that's pretty much it. Now when you check on even SPY and VTI, so both got also similar dividend yield. So even that it's same, but it's because like the weight here is similar. But yes, when you come here, SPY is large cap only, VTI is comprised of greater array of market caps, going down to the so-called micro caps in the respective market weights. So this is pretty much it. And yeah, if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. To summarize this whole video, expense ratio is higher in SPY comparing to Vanguard VTI. Assets under management is higher. Underlying index is different. Yes, number of holdings is lower on SPY, and someone could say that, okay, diversification of VTI, but when you check the weight of both, you can clearly see that they are similar. And it's like completely up to you which one you're gonna choose. I would just choose one which is more suitable based on your platform that you're investing in, like with your employer, etc., and from the tax reasons. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.